Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best OBD2 scanners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the TopDon Phoenix Nano. The TopDon Phoenix Nano stood out right from the jump for striking the right balance between pro-grade capability and user-accessible design. It just works, Manny said. The interface is clean, and it doesn't waste your time with fluff. If you know what you're looking for, this tool gets you there fast. The unit itself, a tablet-style scanner with a rugged shell, bright touchscreen, and intuitive navigation that won't make your eyes glaze over, feels robust and purpose-built. The Nano covers 10 OBD2 modes, supports bi-directional controls, and even allows for ECU coding and active testing. That means you can do things like cycle ABS pumps, reset throttle bodies, or initiate crankshaft relearn stuff you usually pay a dealer to handle. But here's what really stood out: the speed. The Nano booted faster and completed system scans quicker than most of the other scanners we tested, some of which cost twice as much. And it comes with 2 years of free software support. It's great for someone who's stepping up from a basic code reader, but isn't quite ready to shell out $3,000 for the kind of gear we use at the dealer level, Manny added. This isn't a scanner you'll toss in your glove box next to a flashlight and jumper cables. It's a garage tool for those who take their DIY seriously. The Phoenix Nano won't hand-hold you through every step, but it gives you the access and clarity you need to figure things out. And best of all, it makes you feel confident, like you know what you're doing even when poking around in unfamiliar modules. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch OBD1200. This brand carries serious weight in the automotive world, so it's no surprise that the Bosch OBD1200 feels like it's been engineered with no-nonsense precision. It doesn't scream for attention with bright colors or an app-heavy interface. Instead, it offers exactly what you want from a basic OBD2 scanner: rock-solid reliability, a streamlined interface, and just enough diagnostic depth to satisfy both casual tinkerers and seasoned techs. This is the one I recommend when someone doesn't want a Bluetooth dongle and a phone app, Manny says. It's fast, it's accurate, and it just works. And that's the story here. This isn't the flashiest scanner we tested, but it was one of the most intuitive. Plug it in, and you're greeted with a clear, backlit screen and a menu layout that makes sense. No digging through submenus or struggling to find the code definitions. It's all there, up front. It pulls fault codes quickly, erases them with a simple tap, and offers inspection and maintenance readiness indicators, so you can check emissions compliance in seconds. It's the sort of scanner that gets out of your way and lets you work. The Bosch OBD1200 won't replace the high-end bi-directional scanners in a pro shop, and it's not trying to. What it does offer is a perfect balance of usability and capability for weekend mechanics, new DIers, or anyone who wants a dependable scan tool without the hassle of pairing with a phone or updating an app. The 3rd product on our list is the Motopower MP69033. For those just looking for a no-frills code reader, the Motopower MP69033 is a great choice. It simply reads and displays codes quickly, with a neat graphing function for certain live data PIDs, all while not breaking the bank. We like the separate up and down buttons, a nice perk compared with the interfaces of other budget OBD2 scanners. The screen is old school and pixelated, but that didn't bother us. The MP69033 read our codes quicker than all our hardwired scanners, displaying them in just over 17 seconds. A neat graphing function is also available for car speed, coolant temp, load value, and engine RPM. The feature is not incredibly useful, but it is a neat little added touch. Second on our list is the Ancel BD310. The Ancel BD310 is our choice as the best display OBD Roman 2 scanner for DIY use. We loved the scanner's happy medium between corded and Bluetooth capabilities and thought the app's interface was excellent. You can use it with just the corded interface or connect it via Bluetooth and use the free app to access more data, diagnostic resources, and performance testing. The BD310 was quick to connect and display codes, and it provided many of the perks of expensive scanners while staying affordable. Finally, the top product on our list is the Innova 5610. For an OBD Roman 2 scanner with a wider range of diagnostic capabilities, we were impressed by the testing functions, bidirectional control, and additional diagnostic suggestions of the Innova 5610. It's a hefty scanner with a price to match. But with that price comes a plethora of functions inaccessible by cheaper OBD Roman 2 scanners. We were able to access 5 system and actuator tests, a hybrid of battery test function, an ABS bleeding procedure, and much more. So while the price is steep, the investment is worth it if you work on cars more than the average person. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.